If it knew just how dearly I would love to honk. But it's true, I'm a bird who seems to lack the neck. I'm just different from the rest, and who can blame them wanting me to find another nest? But different isn't naughty, different isn't bad, so why does being different make me sad? I'm just different, they're like peas from the same pod, no wonder they make fun of me. Life's harder when you're hard, but different isn't frightful, different isn't threatened, and no, I'm still their brother. They forget I didn't choose to look this way, I didn't want to be unique, I don't like these grubby feathers, and I hate this stubby beak. There's a runt in every litter, one black sheep in every flock. It's you somehow, your ego takes a knock. I'm just different, they're like but different isn't hateful, different isn't wrong, so why is it so hard to get along? I only want to get Different isn't hateful, different could be swell, but different is just, well, different. Will show no fear. We're off, and no matter where we roam, although our minds boggles, this gambling goggles is sure to find your home. Runways clear, prepare for takeoff, dear. We must play our part. Or